Simple yet stunning nail art ideas for beginners. Hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@weadventures-v4h. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on stunning new travel essentials as soon as they drop. To get inspired, new to nail art? Don't worry, you don't need to be a pro to create beautiful nails. With a few easy techniques and tools, you can achieve stunning designs right at home. Check out these simple yet eye-catching nail art ideas that are perfect for beginners. 1. Polka dots. Polka dots are one of the easiest nail art designs to start with. All you need is a dotting tool, or even a toothpick, and your favorite polish colors. Simply add it to your nails for a fun, playful look. Click on our website to shop beginner-friendly dotting tools and nail polish sets. 2. Accent nails. If you're not ready for full nail art, try accent nails. Paint all your nails a solid color and add a design like a stripe or small flower on just 1 or 2 nails. This creates a chic, subtle look that's easy to achieve. Click on our website to get top nail art stickers and tools for easy accent nails. 3. Stripes and lines. Stripes and geometric lines can give your nails a sleek, modern look. Use striping tape or a fine brush to create clean lines across your nails. Experiment with different colors for a bold effect or stick to neutrals for a minimalist vibe. Click on our website to buy nail striping tape for precise lines. 4. Glitter tips. For a touch of glam, add glitter to the tips of your nails. It's simple but looks elegant, making it perfect for special occasions. Use a sponge to dab glitter polish onto the tips for a smooth gradient effect. Click website to discover glitter polishes and sponges for the perfect application. 5. Floral stickers. Floral nail stickers are an easy way to add a feminine touch to your nails. Just place the stickers on your painted nails and seal them with a top coat. It's quick, easy, and looks like you spent hours on your nails. Click website to shop trendy floral nail stickers. These simple nail art ideas are perfect for beginners looking to experiment with fun and stylish designs. Ready to start your DIY nail art journey? Visit our website, www.wanderlustexoticadventures.com/nail-art-and-care to get all the tools and essentials you need for your next manicure. Subscribe to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@weadventures-v4h. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on stunning new travel essentials as soon as they drop. To get inspired,